Today, we are facing a threat greater than ever before. One that we didn't see coming. One we were not prepared for. We were caught off guard, lacking the proper equipment needed to fight against this threat, leaving many American workers forced to continue engaging in necessary tasks without the necessary protection, potentially exposing themselves and their loved ones to harm, even preventing some from providing for their families altogether. That is all about to change. The mission of ALG Health is to serve the American community during the coronavirus pandemic and long after. With major operations being based in the U.S., ALG Health is in the unique position to serve the needs of the American workforce with American-made products. No longer needing to rely on overseas vendors to provide us with the equipment we so vitally need right here. Establishing a brand new state-of-the-art PPE manufacturing facility in the Midwest will help facilitate an increase in the necessary tools we need to remain safe and healthy. Quality masks are our first line of defense against this threat. We understand the value of human life. That is why our masks are 100% American-made without any compromise on quality. Our operating plants utilize vertical integration in a best-of-class sterile production facility. With completely automated assembly lines, our manufacturing facilities are more than capable of meeting the demands of production, all without leaving American soil. It's going to take a lot of work to fight back against this threat and those that will come after. With our newest facilities in Ohio, we reinforce that small towns can make a big difference. Let's get America back to work, but let's do it safely and with the best quality defense.